Hello, everyone. I want to first thank for the opportunity to be here. I am Lavinia. I work as a developer at XWiki for 7 years already. I work from Romania. As part of my work there, I developed the Collabora XWiki integration, and I will say a few. Oh no, the other way around. Ah, okay. This was the first slide. Okay. So today I will start by saying a few words about XWiki, following with a demonstration on how the integration works and how it can be used effectively. And at the end, I will add just some little bits of technical details. So first, about XWiki. XWiki is an open source company. It was developed more than 20 years ago as a wiki-based solution. Its focus is on knowledge organization and management. What is nice about it is the fact that it was developed as a light and powerful platform, so you can add specific changes that are tailored to your needs. Using in-page scripting or data structures, you can develop your own applications in order to enhance the standard capabilities of XWiki. One of these applications is Collabora. So on how it works, before being able to use the Collabora integration, you would first need to install it and then to configure it. I will say a few words only about two of these configurations. One is the server. So in order to have the configuration, the integration working, you need, besides the XWiki instance, a Collabora instance hosted by you or another provider. And you need to add the server address in the configuration. The other configuration, which is edit using main wiki, is a bit more technical, but in short, XWiki offers the possibility to have more than just one wiki in your XWiki instance. So you can have multiple sub-wikis, and each sub-wiki can be on a different domain. And as you know, for Collabora to work, it needs to know the domain that will access it. So in order to not need to add each domain for each sub-wiki that you might have on the Collabora hosts configuration, you can use this this option, and you will edit with only one using one domain. This makes the application really easily configurable, and with you have as least configuration steps as possible. After having it configured, you can go directly to use it. This is a wiki page, so you have the title, some actions, you have the wiki page content that can be edited using what XWiki offers, like macros or real-time editing. On the bottom of the page, you have the Doc Extra section, where you can add comments, check history, or other information, but you also have the attachment section. This is how it looks. So here you can upload your attachments. What the standard XWiki instance has is that you have your attachments, you have some actions for them, and what was missing from here and Collabora added is the possibility to edit them. So now for the files that are supported by Collabora, you will have the Collabora button there. It's important to know that in XWiki you have a write system. So for a document, I might have the view and edit write, but I might also have only the view write. So if I only have view write for a document, then the Collabora button will mimic that that write. So the Collabora button will redirect me to the view action in Collabora. Okay. You can also, instead of just uploading a file and only then editing it here, you can create a new Office file directly. And after doing that or clicking the Collabora button, you are redirected directly to the Collabora editor. So as you can see here, I'm still in XWiki, yet I'm seeing the Collabora editor fully integrated in my page with all the features that you already know of present in here. So from now on, I can edit, add everything that I want, and at the end, I can go back to XWiki to do other things that I want to do, or edit another file. So that's on the how it works. Now a few words about how the integration was done. A lot of things you already know of, but I wanted to maybe specify some aspects that are specific to XWiki. So in order to have this integration working, we set up the UPI protocol, which is a set of REST endpoints. As part of that, we also taken care of the token management, access token management part. I already mentioned that that token mimics the rights you have in XWiki, so you can have only view or edit and view rights. Then we have the discovery XML file. Then we have the web iframe, which is added on the page displayed to the end user. As a last step, we have the post message API. This is the one that enables a smooth connection between the Collabora editor and the host application, which is XWiki. Okay, that looked better on my laptop. Okay, so this is a structured message exchange for listening and sending messages. And I wanted to mention some use cases where we use this post message API. One is about token renew. So those access tokens that I was telling you just before have a limited lifespan. And you could have been in a use case where you were in an active editing session, and your token was expired. What we did was that we relied on the doc modified message sent by the Collabora editor in order to know that a save was done. So on a save, we check if the token is expired. If it's expired, we renew it and perform a new save in order to not lose changes. The same doc modified message was used for knowing if there are unsafe changes. So when one user wants to edit, to close an editing session, we check if there are unsafe changes and inform him about it. Other changes that we have, this is something that's still in progress. I just added here a screenshot to have something maybe to see. The idea would be to add some buttons. So we relied on the post message API for insert button, and in here I added 2 new buttons for save and close the editor. Okay, that's this. Thank you. You can check the Collabora code. It's open source, so you can check the code if you're interested. Thank you very much.